Hi friends, in this session I'm going to explain about max function in Power BI DAX. This is one of important DAX function in Power BI reporting. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe and like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I'm providing complete training of Power BI from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario based, monthly updates, much more updated in this channel. So if you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely will get the job and also easy to survive in real time environment. So before going to implementation max function, let me explain what is max function in Power BI and what is the syntax of max function and what are the examples provided by Microsoft Power BI team. Let me go to my browser, max function in Power BI. Let me open official page of Power BI DAX. Max function is nothing but returns the largest value in a column or between two scalar expressions. That means max function can implement in two different scenarios. First scenario, if you want to find the largest value in a particular column, you just mention maximum of column, and if you want to know the largest value between two scalar expressions, then we'll write maximum of expression 1 and expression 2. Parameters, column, the column in which you want to find the largest value. Expression, any expression which return a single value. Return value, the largest value. Remarks, when comparing two expression, blank is treated as 0 when comparing. That is maximum 1 comma blank returns 1. Maximum of -1 blank returns 0. If both arguments are blank, max returns blank. If either expression return a value which is not allowed, max return an error. True false values are not supported. If you want to evaluate a column of true false values, use maxa function. They given two examples. The following example return the largest value found in extended amount column from the internet sales table. Maximum of table column name. Okay. This is example 2. The following example return the largest value between the result of two expressions. Maximum of total sales. This is a measure. This is not a column. Okay. Measures will indicated in square brackets and total purchases. So we can find the maximum value between the scalar expressions. Now let me explain with simple scenario. Okay. Let me go to my Power BI desktop. I'm taking simple data to explain this better. I'm taking product table. Let me click on open. Don't worry, it won't take much time to load. I'm taking product table. Let me click on load. See, whenever you're loading the tables, the columns containing the numbers, for example, product ID, quantity, price, these columns containing the numbers, automatically it will sums the Power BI desktop. Let me click on load. If you don't want to sum, you can use don't summarize function also. Don't worry, I will show now. Once load the table into the Power BI desktop in memory. Now my tables are loaded. Now see, automatically it sums. If you don't want to sum, just select the column, then table tools will be come, then come down here, don't summarize, sum, average, minimum, maximum, count distinct, whatever you want. Okay, don't summarize. Working on it. See here, now sum symbol is gone. Now let me go to data view. So I want to find the maximum value from price column. Okay, so we can take either calculated column or either calculated measure. So if you take physically it will appears. If you take calculated measure, it won't appear, but you can see in the report view. Okay, now I am taking calculated column, new column. I just mentioned max price for better understanding. Maximum of product of price. Okay, enter. Now it returns maximum value. Okay, 500 is the maximum here, so that's the reason why it returns maximum. Now report view. So here they given two examples. For showing this example, I need to get data from the SQL server. That's the reason why now I am connecting to my. If anybody watching first time my video, please check class number 3 and 4. Why? Because in class number 3 and 4 I clearly explain how to download and install AdventureWorks DW 2019 and Northwind databases. If you practice these two databases, you will get familiar with the real world data. That's the reason why I am telling. Okay, fact internet sales. I will take fact reseller sales also. We'll compare between which one is maximum, fact internet sales or fact reseller sales. Okay, let me click on load. Okay, import is always faster than direct query mode. Okay, once you import data, so the tables will be stored into the Power BI desktop in memory. Now my tables are Power BI desktop. Now I want to find the maximum value from fact internet sales. Right click, new measure. My measure name is max sales. Okay, equal to maximum of amount, sales amount from the fact internet sales. Enter. Now let me drag to report view. If you want to display the number, so what we need to do is we need to click on display the number. Okay, now I want to find the maximum sales amount from the fact internet sales. New measure. This is reseller sales amount. That's the reason why I mentioned max resales. My measure name is. Okay, for better understanding. Maximum of amount from the fact internet sales amount. Now let me drag to report view. Now we have two sales amounts is there. One is total sales amount from the fact internet sales and total resales amount from the resales amount. Now I want to compare which one is maximum. That is the second scenario, right? So I am taking measure equal to maximum of. So first my measure name is max sales, right? Comma and max resales. So my measure is created now. Now let me drag to report view. Let me convert to card to display the number. So let me convert this also to card. So max reseller sales. So reseller sales is the maximum value. So in this way, max function can implement in two different scenarios. Thank you for watching my video. If anybody wants special training on Power BI, you can directly email to this email, or you can directly call to this mobile number. My WhatsApp number also same number. Thank you for watching my video.